Hey everybody, I am back. Today I'm doing a very simple look that you can also wear when you wear glasses like me. So you don't get to see my glasses often in my videos because, well, I do makeup, but on a daily basis I have to wear my glasses. So that's what I'm going to do today. So I already started out doing my eyebrows, as you can see. And then for my primer, I'm using a Essence eyeshadow primer, applying that all over my eyes. And for my birthday, I got this Mcgrath Labs eyeshadow palette. I believe it's the Devine Rose II eyeshadow palette. And I'm going to try that out today. Now, I haven't tried any Mcgrath products before. I was a little shook at how pricey they are, to be honest. In the end, do I think you should get these palettes? No. Do I think they're beautiful? Absolutely yes. I mean, look at this shimmery eyeshadow. It's duochrome. It's so pigmented. I applied it just with my finger, and it has this beautiful pink to gold shift. It's just, I mean, it's gorgeous. The products are gorgeous. They blend super easy, just like this beautiful taupey color on the outer part of my crease. You don't have to do a lot, basically, is what I'm saying. So I'm just lining my waterline, applying some mascara, and that is it for the eye look, really. I didn't have to do too much. Moving on, now as always, I'm going to use my Essence Hello Good Stuff Skin Serum. I'm using this as a primer. When applied, it gets a little tacky afterwards, and it grips really nicely onto my foundation. And I'm first going to apply my concealer this time. So underneath my eyes, the bridge of my nose, near my chin because of my hyperpigmentation, and I can't remember what concealer this is. Again, the label got ripped off, but I'll look it up and put it in the information box. For my foundation, of course, I'm using my NYX Cosmetics Born to Glow Naturally Radiant Foundation in the shade Sienna. And what I like to do is basically mix that together. So I'm using my concealer and my foundation and just blend that a little bit together, while at the same time also highlighting the center of my face. It's just something that I like to do. Obviously, you don't have to use all these products like I always say, but this is just what works for me. I have different ways on how I like to apply my foundation. It all depends on the look and what I'm feeling that day. Like today, I felt like giving myself a little brighter under eye with, just a lighter concealer. I'm also using the One Size Cheek Clapper Blush Trio in Rich Betch, and I'm kind of mixing that together with that lighter concealer already on my face. So mixing it together on my face. Sometimes there is no rhyme or reason for what I do. I just felt like this blended together a lot better instead of just, blending my concealer and the cream blush together on my hand. Now, of course, I'm setting my skin, first baking my under eye area, and then with a larger powder puff, I'm basically setting the rest of my face. I always tell you, you don't have to mimic any of the makeup steps that I'm doing, right? I'm just giving you a guide. But this is what works for me, especially when I'm using heavy-duty foundation. This just makes my foundation last a lot longer. For my bronze and contour, I'm using the One Size Made for Shade Bronze and Sculpt Trio in the name or in the shade Dark Trio, and I'm just mixing all three shades together. And I do my contour the way I always do it, just suited to my liking. Going back into the One Size Rich Bitch Cheek Clapper, and I'm applying my blush really high this time, also connecting it to my eyeshadow. I thought it looked cute. I'm speeding through this video again. We have our friend over, Yana at Yan Patan. You've seen her on my channel the past couple of years, and it's been a blast. It's really been a blast. But, I also wanted to make content, so I'm trying, to mix all things together. Anyway, I hope I get to do a video with her sometime next week. But either way, this is the look. It's really quickly done. If you want more explanations, please watch my previous videos because the steps are pretty similar. Anyway, love ya!